What's going on, everybody? It's your girl Chanel Stevens, and I'm back again with another video. And in this video, I want to show you how you can make $10,000 with CPA affiliate marketing using the law of attraction. Because a lot of y'all think it's all the how-to stuff, but really it's 80% mindset, it's 20% the how-to. But I'm gonna show you how to get your mind right, because you always hear that and you like, what exactly does it take? I'm gonna break all that down in this video. But what I first want you to do is grasp the amount of $10,000 per month. Can you grasp that? Because if you can't even grasp that, then it's no point. Because a lot of you might not have $10,000 in your bank account. You might not have $1,000 in your bank account. So if that's you, you need to really understand the full magnitude of what you're asking for at first. So the first thing you want to do is first, all right, so I got my calculator pulled up. So we got $10,000, right? If we divide that by, let's say, 30 days, I know February is going to be a short month and things like that, but let's just say 30 days. You know, some is 31, but if we do that by 30 days, you're looking at three, whatever, right? So like $300 per day, right? So you can see here, I got about 3K, and this is real money. You know what I'm saying? Real money, real hundreds. But what I want to basically just show you guys is what's possible. I got about $3,000. Y'all might always ask me, well, I always got $3,000 on me. Literally, that's all I can take out the bank without having to go to the teller and get my ID and do all that extra stuff. If I just want to do just pull out some cash, go to the ATM, the most I can do is 3K. That's why I always got 3K. But we looking at $300, right? Per day. So can you grasp making this every single day? Now, I'm just trying to give you a visual, because a lot of you guys just really don't understand what you're asking for. But if you can just see it as a visual, $300, 1, 2, 3, you can put it into perspective. Now, me on the other hand, I can make about $3,000 in a day, because it's all about perspective. But at the end of the day, with CPA affiliate marketing, I'm going to tell you, use paid traffic. Still got to have a certain amount to invest to be able to even make $3,000 per day, because you need a certain type of budget and things like that. And I go over that type of stuff in my videos. But I want to show you how this is possible when you take out all those steps. What should you do? All right, so step number one, you should write down your goals. Why should you write down your goals? You should write down your goals because that's the most important thing. If you have not wrote, I want to make $10,000 per month on paper, and you need to write that in many ways. I have $10,000. I'm making $10,000. All these different ways. You need to be writing out all these goals you want. What's the house? What's the car? What color car? What year? What model? If you look at my goals, guys, I'm telling you, all this stuff is written down, and you guys are not taking that time to write down what you need. You don't have a journal. You don't have anything that you can look back to where you can say, okay, yes, this has come to me because I put it here, I put it there. You just winging it. Oh, if I get it, I get it. If I don't, I don't. No, write it down. Put it down on pen and paper. That is so powerful. Most of everything I put down on pen and paper has come to pass. And it's crazy. Now I go crazy with the journaling, because it's you never know, right? But that's number one, but that's one of the most important ones. The next thing you need to do is you need to visualize it coming true. Now, you guys don't think visualization is important, but it's really, really key. What you have to do is you have to see the money in your bank account. Literally, do you have a bank app? If you got Bank of America or Chase, or I don't know what banks you guys bank with. I get viewers from all over the world, but I want you to visualize in your account that you typing in your password and you seeing $10,000 just being deposited as a deposit, or you seeing your account balance as $10,000, or you seeing your account balance as more than $10,000. Because if you think about it, $10,000 per month times 12, that's a yearly income of $120,000. That's about a doctor's salary, and it's possible. And that's really simple and basic with CPA affiliate marketing. You see people like that all the time on the internet, made $10,000 a month, made $10,000 a month. That's why I'm trying to get y'all to this beginner stages, because y'all not really grasping what y'all asking for. What you're asking for is not big. It's not too big. It's small. But if you're not writing it down and making it seem small and visualizing yourself already having it and be identifying with a person that makes $10,000, you have to become the person that is ready for $10,000 a month, who can handle $10,000 a month. And the way to become that is by visualizing yourself having it, seeing yourself, visualizing what you'll be doing with the money. Where would you shop? What kind of food would you eat? All type of stuff like that. So That's very, very important. Visualization. Now, this third one is crucial as well, and this is called affirmations. Now, affirmations is one of my favorite things to do because it just reaffirms everything you've been writing down, everything you've been visualizing. Now you're speaking it. Do you see the power of what I'm giving you? I'm giving you a way to write. I'm giving you a way to see. I'm giving you a way to speak, right? All these things are powerful, and if you combine them, the power in combining all this is the law of attraction. Like a lot of people, this is not nothing new. This has been taught for years. It's taught for ages. Like they had this knowledge way back when. What you speak, what you think, what you write, like you are who you are. So if that's what you're doing, if you're speaking these things, if you're writing these things, affirmations is important because you're going to be speaking. I wouldn't be bringing affirmations up in this video if I didn't believe it was very important. So what I want you guys to do is really practice affirmations. What you're writing down, speak it into existence. Talk it. I will be successful. I am making $10,000 a month online. I am making money with CPA affiliate marketing. Affirm these things to yourself in your own voice, not just listen to affirmations on the internet. Speak affirmations to yourself. Affirm to yourself, I can, I will. I know that's like Eric Thomas stuff, but that's true. Those words, I can, the words I will, the words I must, those are really the most powerful words you can use in your vocabulary. And most people, you can tell by how they talk that they're not attracting anything to themselves. If you just take time to listen to successful people and people who have what you want, they have a certain language, they have a certain vocabulary. They use words like I can't, I will, I must. They don't use words like I'ma try, maybe, and just this unsure attitude. There's always some sure vocabulary, like you see me talking, like I know I'm gonna be successful, I know I'm gonna hit $1 million months one day. And you have to affirm to yourself what you believe is really possible for you, because if you're not affirming these things, if you're not telling them, your brain gonna be going back to this old thinking like, oh, I can't make that, that's too hard, that's so much money, maybe I'm asking for too much, or all these little things that come in your subconscious that you didn't even know was there really, but it's just holding you back because you're not paying attention to it and you're not trying to reverse it. So it's just overloading. You have to overload with the positive. You have to overload with where you're headed. You have to overload with where you're going. You have to overload it with what you want for your life. And that's the power of affirmations. And now this last one is really key, and I talk about this in a lot of videos. I'm going to talk about it again in this video, so you should already know what it is if you're a follower of this channel. Gratitude. If you're not feeling gratitude daily, then don't expect law of attraction to work for you. That's like the final piece to law of attraction. If you watch The Secret, you know it's important. Law of attraction works by feeling, right? It's all about how you feel. The reason you're writing these goals, the reason you're visualizing, the reason you're affirming things is to gather this feeling. And that's a feeling of already knowing that it's coming to you. You're already going to have it. All you have to do is trust, and trust that it can really happen for you, and being grateful that whatever you have right now, you're thankful for that, because wherever you are right now is where what got you to where you're trying to go. All the situations you've been through, all the hardships, all the times you were broke. I was broke too. I understand. I came from nothing. I came from literally $0, right? Negative bank accounts, negative, like phone getting turned off, insurance lapsing on my car. Can't drive my car. So real struggle to turn my life around. Now I got a BMW, 4 bedrooms. I'm just a single female. All this just came to me, and it came in more than I was even actually expecting. And it's just amazing how your life can really turn around when you practice these things daily. Because if you don't know already, I practice this daily. And I believe that that's the reason good things happen to me. I look at my life and I look at my friends' life who don't practice it, and good things just always happen to me, and stuff always comes to me, and I'm always able to live such a beautiful life. And their life is not like mine. Why? Because I believe they're not doing what I'm doing. They're not being grateful. They're not practicing gratitude and being thankful for what they already have, and settling with that, and knowing that something more is coming, and just being patient, not trying to rush it, not trying to get rich quick or do this real quick, ending up in jail, or doing this real quick and ending up in a situation where now they feel stuck. This can really be possible for you if you stay focused, if you focus on what I just told you in this video, practice it daily. You can literally live a life of abundance. Now, this is not money to impress you, to flex, to flash. This is literally just a visualization. I'm literally giving you everything you need in this video Now, a lot of you might not think it's real, but I'm literally somebody who started from the bottom. I didn't have anything when I first started, and now I can just go to the bank, pull out $3,000. I'm about to just go and enjoy my day. And I truly believe that you can live your life and your dreams as well. If you just follow what I'm giving you in this video and practice it every single day, there's no reason why you won't start seeing more abundance come to you. So get off this video, start doing what I told you, and watch everything you ever wanted come to you. All right, so that's all I got for this video. Subscribe if you're new. Drop a like if you enjoyed this video, and drop me a comment on what you think about these 4 things I just went over in this video. Do you think it's important? Do you think if you really stick to this, it's really possible for you and things can happen with CPA affiliate marketing? Go ahead and apply it. And if something does start to happen, you see results or anything like that, drop it in the comments. Let me know. And I'll see you guys in the next video.